This video will cover the Vertiv DSView solution MP1000, creating a credential profile and adding a service processor. Once you are logged into the MP1000 web interface, navigate to the left-hand side, select Administration, and then select Credential Profiles. In order to add certain target devices, you must create a credential profile first. On the Credential Profile page on the right-hand side, select the plus sign to add a new credential profile. Here, you'll be prompted to enter a custom profile name, the username associated with that profile, and the password. Make sure that the username and password match the target device that will be added. Below the password, you'll see an option for DSView zone. This is only required if you intend to utilize DSView zones for a managed DSView appliance discovered with this credential. Otherwise, you can leave this blank. For further personalization and customization, you have the option to add notes for the credential profile. You can see here the credential profile has been successfully created. Now, going back to the Appliance View page, let's add our service processor. Here, I am prompted to enter the discovery name, the IP address, select the device type, which would be service processor, and then the credential profile that was just created. Like other MP1000 target devices, when selected, a menu will appear on the right-hand side. From this menu, you'll be able to open a session to the target device or view and configure the associated information. When clicking on the service processor target itself, you can see there's an option to toggle the system LED, to toggle the power, to resync, and to view the system information, including the temperature, the fan speed, the power status, properties, including the IP address, the firmware version, the boot order, and the virtual media. This will conclude our topic on creating a credential profile and adding a service processor to the MP1000.